Hi everybody, it's a subscriber request video for outfit of the day. A relaxed day at home. My favorite casual outfit is a pink satin camisole with an ankle length 100% cotton skirt. It's my favorite. It makes me feel like I'm wearing my sweats, but it's dressier because it's a skirt. And it's so easy for me to relax on my day at home when I kick up my feet, grab a good book, and sit by the window enjoying the day. I hate wearing shoes on my day off, so I relax by kicking them off and having nothing but bare feet. Everybody's feet needs to breathe. And my puppy, Sigmund, is always checking out what I'm doing. So when I'm sitting, grabbing that hot cup of tea, reading a good book, and my puppy is curled up at my side, it is the perfect relaxed day at home for me. It's my favorite way to spend it. His kisses are the best part of the day. I love them. They're great, and they make my day even more relaxed. With my painted OPI toenails and my casual outfit, how can you not be relaxed at a day at home? Drinking a hot cup of tea outside on the patio to finish the day off is the perfect way to end it.